Want to create viral faceless videos in minutes? Look at these channels. They're posting these videos and getting millions of views. Today, I will tell you how to create these kinds of AI-powered templates for story videos, Reddit tales, fake texts, and more. It's almost too easy. But there's one secret that changes everything. Stay till the end to find out. Open any of your browsers and search SHORT.AI, but you can also click the link on the description to reach there. It can make different types of viral auto-generated shorts for you, where AI short stories, Reddit stories, fake text, and dialogue videos are included. It will also add auto-subtitles to your videos in different styles and posts your video on time automatically. Let's check all of these first. You need to click on the Start, Creating for Free button, then complete the sign in process by Continue with Google directly. Once you signed up, you will be directed to this page where you can see a lot of ready-made videos of different categories. As an example, they have given down. The same kinds of videos we will be creating also. For that first, we will make Reddit story videos. Click on the Reddit story option on the left, and here you will see a bunch of background styles for your video. You can choose any of them. I like this. And then next, here, you can write your custom script, import for Reddit, or write an AI script. But for your understanding, we will write our custom script. For that first, you need to open a new tab in your browser and search for Reddit and open it. Here you can see this post. We will make a story of this. First, copy the description or title of this post and paste it into the Reddit post description box. Then we will make a video script for our title for that. Again, open a new tab in your browser and search for ChatGPT and paste your title here and ask for write a script for this post. Once your script is ready, copy and paste it in script box. Then, for betterment of it, click on AI Rewrite. It will improve it. Once it is done, click on Next. Here you can see a lot of subtitle templates. Choose according to your preferences and then click on Next. In this part, you can see a lot of premium AI voices for free, all 11 labs, paid AI voices. You can use free here, like Adam, and you can find other voices also. Here, once your voice is selected, click on Generate Video, and it will start generating your video. It might take a couple of minutes, so I will fast forward this part. And here is our video ready. Let's watch the final result.
UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer corrects VP JD Vance on free speech in the United Kingdom. Keir Starmer. The UK holds a rich legacy of free expression, which persists unchanged. JD Vance. We have our worries, but I value the explanation, Prime Minister.
It is amazing and similar to viral videos. Now let's make your favorite fake text videos. Similarly, click on Fake Text option and select your favorite background and click on Next here. In this part, you need to make your fake conversation or discussion. In this case, I have already made AI-generated discussion with ChatGPT. I will copy and paste each line from ChatGPT. You also need to do the same once it is ready. You can also change name and logo, but I will let it same because I am making it just for you. Click on Next, and from here, choose a theme for your video. I like this once, and then click on Next. You should choose your voice according to your script, but I will select Adam's voice again, and you can adjust the music volume and also add background music directly from here and start generating your video. Let's check out the final result.
Co JD Vance called out the UK on free speech. Meet a SHORT.AI for video creation.
Yeah, and Keir Starmer shut him down real quick.
He was like, we've upheld free speech for centuries.
Vance tried to argue, but it didn't land.
Starmer basically said, nice try, but no.
It is superb. Wow. Now let's make AI story videos. And here you will see a lot of realistic and anime style templates. Choose the one you like. I will choose this one and then next. Here you will get a lot of AI-generated script templates. So we are making it for scary videos, so I will choose this one. And here you can paste your first line of script, and on the bottom, the CTA of it means last line, and then select your script length. We are making a short video, so select 30 seconds to 60 seconds, and then generate script. It will generate a complete script for you, then select your subtitle style, and next it, then select voice, and start generating your video. Here's the final result.
I woke up to a whisper that wasn't mine, and the shadow in the corner moved. The silence in the corporate office was deafening. Sarah, a junior analyst, tapped her pencil nervously. Rumors whispered of layoffs. A shadow loomed behind her. It was Michael, the firm's ruthless VP. He smiled, but his eyes glinted with something sharp. Days passed, and strange occurrences escalated. Important reports vanished, replaced with altered figures. An ominous email hinted at a whistleblower. One night, Sarah found a flash drive tucked beneath her desk. It contained explosive evidence, a conspiracy to drive competitors to ruin. In the shadows, Michael watched, a predator in waiting.
Amazing. You should in other types of videos as well. This tool is not that much costly. First month, you need to buy it of just $19 and start earning from it. Rest, all plans are also very cheap. You can check it. The link is in the description. And if you complete my 1,000 subscribers, I will give away this tool free to you for 3 months. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel, Digital AI Dollars. Or if you want to create anime avatars like Digital Income Project, so click on the left video and watch the tutorial, or want to make AI voices like me for free without using 11 Labs. So click on the right side video. I will see you there. Bye-bye.